My name is Connie Wallace, and I'm the Chief Communications Officer for Duncanville ISD. When we hired Group Dynamix, our ultimate goal was to have a fun, exciting, team-building experience for our entire district of 1,800 staff members. So my interactions with Group Dynamix have been taking small groups of children to their location and engaging in fun activities that really promoted team and built camaraderie. And so I knew that based on those experiences, if I could get Group Dynamix here in Duncanville on site, that they would execute at the same level or greater. Leading up to the event day, I knew that things were going to go well because Group Dynamix, they were very meticulous in the planning prior to the event. And so on the date of the event, like no other time in my life, I was not nervous. They had a plan. They came in the night before and made sure that every I was dotted and T was crossed, set things up. So when we arrived the morning of the event, we were ready to go. There was nothing that made me question their ability to pull off a magnificent event. So after the actual event, I didn't even have to go up to people and ask them for their feedback. People were eager to come to me and share with me how well things went. They were excited to just have that time within their campus, their department teams, working together and doing things a little bit out of the ordinary. And so I was over the moon with the immediate feedback and the response from the entire staff. They felt like they had them doing things that they wouldn't ordinarily do, but it wasn't so far out of the box that they were reluctant to participate. On a scale from 1 to 10, I would definitely have to give Group Dynamix a 10 out of 10. We would do it again. I just want to say thank you to the Group Dynamix team for coming into Duncanville ISD and providing a dynamic experience for over 1,800 staff members. Thank you.